Matti Christensen here. I'm going to show you my wave technique in a fillet weld 1F position with the MIG. I have done my root pass. I have cleaned it up and it's ready to go, so I can show you how I'm using the technique, what pattern I'm using, where I stop and start, how long I stop when I hit the edges.
We're gonna stop, short stop, short stop, another one. I always do the short stop when I hit the edges. I have the root pass as the guideline, and I let keep going.
Here you have the end result of my wave technique I use. It's on point. I did my short stops when I hit the edges. I always do that just to let the puddle melt out a little bit more. I was using a ESAB Rebel 235 IC, and it was actually the first time I tried it, and it came out pretty good. I hope you like it, and see you next time.